In this quick video, we're going to show you how you can easily play Ludo in Facebook Messenger on your mobile phone. So whether you're on your iPhone or Android device, the steps are absolutely the same, and I'm going to show you two different methods on how you can play Ludo. The first step is to open the Facebook Messenger application on your phone, and then open a conversation with a friend with whom you want to play the game. Let's say I want to play a game with this friend. All I have to do is to tap on this little plus option at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then click on this Play Game option. If you're on your Android phone and you don't see the Play Game text, you just need to find this little icon and click on it. That will open another section in the Messenger app where you can select from a wide variety of games, and you want to find Ludo in here and then open it. But what if you don't see the Ludo game in the Messenger application, but you want to play it? Don't worry, because I'll show you another little trick on how you can find the game and play it. All you have to do is to exit the Facebook Messenger application and then open the Facebook mobile app on your iPhone or your Android phone. After this step, we want to tap on this little search icon at the top right corner of the screen, which will open the search bar, and you then want to type Ludo in here. We will get a couple of different search results, and you will see Ludo under the Games section in the search results. Here it is for me, and I just need to tap on the play button, which will then open the game. I can now enjoy playing Ludo. If you have any other questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.